Hi, welcome to my channel, Shop Talk with Dan the Man. You're probably wondering two questions. Why do I have all these RIDGID tools? And second, what is their warranty like? Well, stay tuned. I'll let you know. Hello, if you're new to this channel, my name is Dan Shannon. I enjoy woodworking as a hobby and being out in the shop. On this channel, dive deep into my shop as we explore tools and tool reviews, as well as chatting about everything related to woodworking. If this grabs you by the tool belt, please subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this. So today we're going to talk about RIDGID tools and why I buy RIDGID tools. So the first reason is you can't beat their quality. So RIDGID tools is known for their pro level tool as well as their ongoing warranty. So the first reason why I have so many RIDGID tools, you can tell, and why I do tool reviews that are pretty well strictly RIDGID is the fact that they have the industry's leading warranty. So not only is the warranty covering the tool itself, which most warranties would for at least 5 years, but with RIDGID they also cover the battery. So RIDGID claims as long as you can pull this trigger, they will support the battery. So you can go at any time and getting the tool replaced or fixed. I assume with the service agreement, it means that they'll try to fix it the best they can. If not, they'll give you a new one. Same with the battery. They'll try to fix it, and if they can't, they'll proceed with a new battery. So those are the two reasons why my shop is exclusive RIDGID, is because we all work hard for our money, and at the end of the day, why not have a tool that will literally last you a lifetime once you purchase it the first time. So that's why my shop is filled with RIDGID, and that's why I back the RIDGID tool. And I also, it's not just because of the warranty. The grip that they have on their tools is a nice rubber, feels good in the hand. Their quality is noticeable when you pick up their tool. It's just a perfect, for me anyways. I'm not a full-time carpenter. I don't work on houses or anything full-time. This is a hobby, and use them all day long, and knowing full well that if this motor goes in the head of this drill, or if the battery no longer produces power, I can just get a hold of RIDGID and they'll replace it or fix it with one of their repair locations. So how do we go about this long-term LSA warranty? So the quickest way to do it is online. Information, it will tell you what you need. There's a serial number on your drill in this case, and your battery also has that same information that you need to log in and register. So once you build an account, it's very easy to add a new tool that you got. I would recommend uploading your receipt. For future, you can upload a picture of it onto their website. That way, if anything happens to your original, you do have a digital copy on their website. So I should mention, RIDGID does not sponsor me at all. They don't really know about me. I'm just a guy in a shop that enjoys carpentry and woodworking, and this is basically something I do on my own, and yeah, just awesome. RIDGID is a great product. I can't speak highly enough. So I actually have an example of this warranty. I have a shop vac, It's wired, so it's not cordless. It's quite a large one. I'll put the picture above of what it looks like. So I was using it one day and the motor died. So I got a hold of RIDGID through their online chat service, and they recommended I take pictures. So they gave a description of what pictures I needed to take to fill out for the warranty. So I took the pictures that they asked for, I sent them in for review, they reviewed the photos, and then they called me back and said, okay, we reviewed it, the report, we found as though it was faulty on the vacuum cleaner, so we're going to send a replacement. So they asked me to cut the cord off the back and dispose of it, through garbage or whatever. So that's what I did. I cut the cord off so no one else could use the vacuum or tamper with it. So I cut the cord off and I put it out to the road for garbage pickup. So that to me, and literally, I want to say it was a week and a half max, my new vacuum showed up, and it was already added to my register. So I didn't even have to re-register the new one. They automatically got the serial number and swapped it out with the old one. I didn't even have to go online. I double checked on that just to make sure, but they automatically, when they swapped out the tool, they just added it to my new warranty. So that was awesome. It was a smooth transition between my old vac and the new one as far as receiving it and having it in my shop to use. I just can't speak highly enough of the dealings I had with RIDGID on their warranty and the overall ease that I had in getting my new vacuum. So I expect nothing different than if my drill had any issues. I could just go on the same chat and say the motor's not working or whatever the issue is. They would recommend a repair shop to assess it, and then I would have it back within a short period of time. And also the batteries. I can't say enough about having a warranty on a battery, because we all know over time, using a drill, using any one of these tools, recip, the router, any type of tool, your battery over time is going to age. It's not going to work as well. But RIDGID guarantees, as long as you can pull the trigger of your tool, that they will supply a working battery. So, but it has to be registered. You have the 90 days to do that. And once you do that, you're set. So once again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I enjoy doing this channel, doing reviews of tools and talking about the shop in general. And it also doesn't matter the size of your shop. It can be small, it can be big, it really doesn't matter. Just get out, enjoy woodworking, give me a thumbs up, and ring that bell. So have a great day.